Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2016 Mitsubishi Lancer ES Sports Sedan, stock reference number 4458. This shape runs from the 9th month 2011 through to the 12th month 2017. There's a 4B11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 4B11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. The left front has an average tyre, left power door mirror, left-hand sill skirt. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left boot lid garnish. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Spoiler type. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Right-hand boot lid garnish. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door also appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black clock interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, left-hand sun visor, courtesy lamp, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons.